Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to get TV guide on Firestick. Let's go. First way, use Live TV button. Second way, open home screen, find Live TV icon. Guide. You can set up Live TV here. How do I add channels? Open TV Guide, Options, Add Channels, Add More Channels. All available Live TV sources will be available here. Select the app, install and sync with Live TV. That's it. Now you know how to get TV guide on Firestick. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.